Shut up and sit down.
Subaru! Hola amigos, mi amo Motorbro aka Lars, and we are here with another pit bike video. It is a few days after Christmas, the 28th to be exact, and yeah, we're just going on a little pit bike cruise. I hope all you guys had an awesome Christmas. Let's see if I can wheel this shit. I couldn't keep up with the curves. Let's see. Oh. Those are just some little warm up wheelies. Just got on the bike, you know, I gotta get a little warmed up. Definitely need to watch out for a popo. I'm gonna go through that neighborhood, I think. Yeah, we're gonna go through that neighborhood. We are fucking Gucci! That little BMX rider. Probably know who he was, to be honest. Ready? I need a straightaway. Alright, ready? Alright guys, my third gear wheelies are going down the drain right now, but don't worry, because we're about to hit one right here. Alright, let's get this. I was a little off course on that wheelie, but it's all good. I'm gonna head to that quick mark. I'm super thirsty. I need to get me a drink. Turning left. Click, bloop, click, bloop, click, bloop. That was my blinker. Are they open? Park my bike in here. It's time to get some food. I'm gonna get a Mountain Dew. Nah, I might be a Gatorade. Nah, I'm gonna get Mountain Dew. Hello.
That's the black box, right?
GoPro. Alright, have a good day. We got my M-Dew. Thank you for the Hunt Club Market for your support. For the free Mountain Dew. I'm just kidding. I had to pay for this, but I don't know if it'll fit in here. I don't think it will. That's what I was just gonna put it in my pocket anyways. I was just gonna put it in my pocket and say fuck it. Decisions. Alright, I think I'm just gonna go with this car and say fuck it. What up, bruh? You chillin', bruh? It's such a beautiful day today in Florida. I can't wait for New Year's. New Year's is gonna be a fucking blast. That's some babe right there. Hey, girl, you wanna get on my pit bike? Didn't think so, because I'm about to fuck your ass up. This dude's running. I think it's time for a third gear wheelie. Alright, that was bad. That one was alright. But yeah, I hope you guys have an awesome new year. I mean, I've said this 1,000 times, but I just want to thank you guys for all your support. We hit 25,000 subscribers. So I mean, thank you guys so much. Like that's awesome. It's freaking awesome. Some good times. We're gonna have some good times. You know how we do. Only fun stuff happening on Moto-Bro. Alright? Only fun stuff. Yeah, so I'm going through this neighborhood. I have, now I'm dunking. Alright, now I know where I am, sort of. But, yeah, hopefully, the police aren't out today, because that would not be fun. Fourth gear. Flying. Oh, look at this lake, guys. This thing is freaking beautiful. So as you guys can see, I opened my drink and I put it in my little cup holder, but I don't know if my cup holder will hold it. But we're about to find out. Hey, some skater. Yo, can I ride your board? I'm Lars, by the way, man. Oh, this is weird. Maybe next time. Have a good day. Uphill wheelies. Oh, that was... Let's see these golfers. Let's see what they got. Let's see what you got. Maybe next time. 'Cause that was a shitty hit. Alright, so guys, as you guys know, I just turned 21. Well, some of you guys probably know, some of you guys don't, but I just turned 21, December 26th, my birthday. And, yeah, I had a fucking awesome time. It was such a good time. Like, we went out the first night with just, like, a few homies, like, just to, like, this, restaurant with, like, a bar, and we had a good time. And then the next night, my friend threw, like, a party, and, like, if you guys want to see that shit, it's on my Instagram. I'll play, like, the video right now. Here's to the 21st of Lars's birthday, baby.
F that camel.
Yeah, so I hope you guys liked that video. That's on my personal account, not Moto-Bro. I might put it on Moto-Bro, I'm not sure yet. And yeah, the party was such a good night, and I had a lot of fun. Since we're talking about social medias, I might as well say I have a Moto-Bro Twitter. So yeah, if you guys want to check that out, I'll have the link in the description. It's just Moto-Bro, @Moto-Bro on Twitter. So yeah, follow that if you want to just hear me talk about random stuff or whatever's going on, and when videos are going to come out. I'll let you know when the videos are coming out on Twitter, and yeah, I could be a little more behind the scenes, because you know, it's Twitter. It's fucking Twitter. You could do anything on Twitter. I lost it there from the minute I pulled up. Alright guys, so that ends today's video. I hope you guys like this. This is another cruise. I'm going to definitely be riding with the homies real soon, so expect that. We just need to get that done for sure. Alright, have an awesome New Year's. Stay motivated, y'all. And Moto-Bro's out. Peace.